Find the n term of the linear sequence. Solution. Now we have 100, 96, 92, 88, 84. Then we have 3 dots. Now looking at what we have here, let's get the difference. 100 minus 96, that is the common difference now. The second term minus the first term. 96 minus 100, that is minus 4. 92 minus 96, that's also minus 4. We also have 88 minus 92, we have minus 4, and 84 minus 88, we also have minus 4. So in this case, we have the difference as minus 4, and this is the first term. So based on the formula of the n term of a linear sequence, we have Tn equals to what? X plus Yn. Now, the x here is equals to what? What is the value of x? X equals to minus 4. The value of x is the difference, which is minus 4. And the first term represents what? X plus y. And x plus y now equals to what? 100. X plus y equals to 100. So what are we going to do from here? Anywhere we see x, we put minus 4. Then plus y equals to 100. Now making y the subject, y equals to what? That means we take minus 4 to the right hand side. That's 100 plus what? Plus 4. So this will give us y to be equals to 104. Now it means that the n term of this sequence is going to be what? X plus yn. What is x? Minus 4 plus yn. What is y? 104. So we have 104n here. And we can now write this as 104n minus 4 equals to Tn. That is the n term of the sequence. Thank you.